Welcome to 365 Math. I have a question here with me. For two cylinders A and B, the ratio of heights is 3:1 and the ratio of diameters is 1:2. Calculate the ratio of their volumes. You can take a moment, pause the video and try to solve this question. Let's see whether you got it correct or wrong. And if you do, after I have done this, make sure that you will not get this wrong again. We are going to let the height be denoted by h, and we're going to let the diameter be denoted by d. And because we're told that for two cylinders A and B, the ratio of heights is 3:1, we're going to let the height of cylinder A be 3h. And we're going to let the height of cylinder B be h. And then we're told that the ratio of diameters is 1:2. So we're going to let D of cylinder A be equal to D. And we're going to let the D of cylinder B be equal to 2D. So these are the ratios that we have. Remember, the ratio of the heights is 3:1. And this is what we have here. 3:1, and then the ratio of the diameters 1:2, and we have our diameter 1:2. Now moving forward, now the radius of cylinder A is equal to d/2 because the radius is half of the diameter, and then the radius of cylinder B is equal to 2d/2, which gives us d. And to find the volume of a cylinder, our formula is V is equal to pi r squared h. For the volume of cylinder A, which I'll denote as VA, that is equal to pi, and then our radius, that is d/2 squared multiplied by 3h, because that is the height. And by so doing, we get pi, and this is d²/4 multiplying 3h, and this gives us 3/4 pi d²h. And then the volume of cylinder B, which is VB, is equal to pi d² multiplied by h, and this is just pi d²h. Now we want to find the ratio of their volumes. So if we look at the two volumes that we get, we have pi d² and we have 3/4 pi d², and this is what we are going to compare. So taking the constant before the pi d², we have 3/4 is to 1, because this pi d² is the same as this pi d². So the coefficients are 3/4 and we've got 1 in this case. Hence why we have 3/4 is to 1. Now we can rewrite this as 3:4. So this is the ratio of their volumes, 3:4. I hope you got this correct. If you did not, by following the steps which I have done, I'm sure you fully understand how to get the correct answer. So thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button to get more videos. I'll see you in the next video.